Imagine a learning environment that blends various simulation methods to provide students with a comprehensive hands-on experience. That is the essence of hybrid simulation, integrating virtual and physical simulators for maximum impact. By combining virtual patient simulations with task trainers, high-fidelity simulators, and standardized patients, this pedagogical approach offers a dynamic and adaptable learning experience that mirrors real clinical practice. Hybrid simulation bridges the gap between theory and practice, allowing students to refine clinical reasoning, develop hands-on skills, and strengthen their decision-making abilities, all within a controlled, safe environment. This learner-centered approach enables students to make mistakes without risk, building confidence and competence in managing complex clinical situations. When integrated with Body Interact, hybrid simulation becomes even more impactful. Students first engage with a virtual patient in Body Interact, fostering cognitive skills such as clinical reasoning, critical thinking, and decision-making. This is followed by a seamless transition to physical tasks, such as preparing medication, inserting an IV, or performing a blood draw using part-task trainers or manikins. Adaptability is key. Hybrid simulation can be customized for different levels of expertise and tailored to specific learning objectives, offering educators endless flexibility. To maximize engagement, ensure that students have prior experience with the Body Interact virtual patients. Additionally, align learning objectives with curriculum goals to create a cohesive and effective educational experience. Whether training students in patient assessment, communication, hands-on interventions, or treatment planning, hybrid simulation creates an authentic and immersive learning space. Debriefing and feedback are essential for reinforcing learning outcomes. These reflective sessions help you and your students analyze decisions, identify areas for improvement, and consolidate knowledge. As an educator, you have the power to transform learning. By combining hybrid simulation with Body Interact, you can design engaging and adaptable learning experiences that foster growth and equip your students for real-world clinical practice. Let's shape the future of healthcare together.